Hi everybody, welcome back. So you've got a good idea of ghost stories and what they entail, what's involved in them. You've got your ghost character, you've got your setting. So the next thing to do is to plan your ghost story. So the way I want you to do this is think about your character, make up some other characters as well to put in your story. Have your opening, what happens at the start of the story. Think about what happens to build the story up to make it more and more scary or more and more interesting. Usually with a ghost story, ghosts are hinted at, or there are rumours of ghosts at the very, very beginning, and it builds up and gets scarier and scarier and scarier and scarier until the main event. And the main event is a point where everything could go completely wrong for your characters. So it's quite a dangerous, exciting main event. And then have a think about the ending as well. Is everything resolved by the ending, or are things left open? Is it an open ending so you don't know what's going to happen next? Or perhaps it's part of a series as well. It might be that you want to set up a character that you'll write lots of stories about. Have a think. You don't need to plan in a huge amount of detail, but it does help to have certain points in your head ready for when you start your ghost story, so you know roughly what you're working towards. I hope you enjoy planning it, and I hope you enjoy thinking about all those different elements of how you're going to make it scary or very, very funny if you're writing a ghost story that's funny. Good luck, enjoy planning, and I'll see you for the next bit.